With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, this is a question. Let me explain it to you. Statement 1 says that PDI polydispersity index of natural polymer is unity, while that of synthetic polymer is greater than unity. Then the statement is absolutely true, and the reason that lies is that natural polymers are homogeneous. Because of that, they have perfect one value of the PDI polydispersive index. This is also true, and also reason is correctly explaining the assertion. So option 1 is the correct answer. Now we will understand how. Okay, so PDI polydispersity index is specially given by the expression that average molecular average molecular weight we have to take and divide it by the number average mn. We can represent number average molecular weight of the respective particle that we are talking, and mw, this average molecular weight, is defined for it is a better, or we can say it is sensitive to high molecular masses, and number average mass is this one. The number average molecular mass is sensitive to low molecular masses. Okay, so now what happens, this PDI is gonna give us the measure of distribution measure of distribution of molecular masses. Okay, and it would be perfectly one for the natural ones, and for the synthetic one this PDI value is greater than unity for the synthetic ones. Okay, so both of them are correct, and reason is also justifying the assertion. So option 1 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.